Hi everybody, super quick video just to show you what I did for book week this year because I had very limited time and resources, money. So we did something really simple. As an executive team, we got together and decided we would do emojis. So I'm just going to flip the camera and show you what we did. So these are like the end products. So all we did was we got yellow cardboard, this shiny stuff here, and we just had a plain circle for the back. And all I did was I just got emojis and really zoomed in on A3 paper. So these are the different ones that we picked. And all I did was I cut out the features. So this was my one. All I did was I cut out the eyes and the mouth. That was it. So for those ones, I cut out the heart, the mouth, the eyes, the tears in the mouth, the sunnies in the mouth. And then all we did was we got black clothes underneath and we just added some wigs to it. So a couple of my colleagues had the long yellow wig in that style, and then myself and another colleague had the spiky hair as well. And we just put cardboard straps over the top and came together quite nicely and gave the kids a little bit of a giggle. On our own, we probably looked a bit silly, but when we got together in a group, it was pretty funny. And as we did the parade around the quad area, we got lots and lots of giggles from the kids, and they could kind of all identify what we had, and some knew the stickers too. Super easy, lots of fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye.